It's time to go.
Is it time to go? All right. We are sitting by the door, and there's a few things to go over by the door. The first is this is the awning. Okay, the awning will go out about 16 foot. Before you put it out, make sure there's no trees or anything like that it might hit. And you just simply press the button, and is it going out?
Yep, we're good.
All right, and then hit the other side, and it will go back in. All right, that's the awning covered. Next, the doorstep. Every time, and actually, let's show the nice people at home.
Okay, I'll step
Autumn.
out.
So every time the screen door closes, the steps close. And then when it opens, the steps come back in. Now, when you're parked and stationary, it's a good idea to always leave the steps open like that.
Right.
And the reason for that is it doesn't burn out the motor, and it's just more convenient. So up here, it says power step, and you just press that down. And now, let's try it again, Autumn.
Let's try it again, Steve.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All right. So that's a little tip for you. Next tip, assuming you're running on your electric power hookup, this main power cuts off the power to everything in the RV. So if you don't want to keep everything running, just do that, and everything went off. When you come back again, you can click it again, everything will go back on.
Too close to you.
Here's something important. It will not turn off the generator. So if you are running the generator, then you need to turn that off manually. All right,
We're good?
we're good.